is part 2 of flying with Spirit on the low. And tonight I'm going to be packing this bag for my flight in the morning. It's a complete list of everything that's going to go in the bag. You can check the description of the video. Now make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because I have important information on how you can get a seat that's not in the back of the aircraft that you don't have to pay for. All right, so like I said, I'm going to pack this bag with approximately 83 items. Not only am I going to pack this bag for you, but I'm going to also unpack the bag for you so you guys know that there's no funny business up in here. All right, so I'm going to be a good steward of your time, so let's get into it. Your favorite fragrances. I'll take it from this full size down to this. Yes, so pretty much all you're going to do is you're going to take everything that's full size and you condense it down into a sample size or travel size. It's just that easy. All of your favorite products. I have a list of mine and you have a list of yours. And this right here, you think you can't travel with your favorite perfume? You can just pop this top off here. Pop that off. And you take this, a little hole on the bottom. I got these from Amazon. And you just keep pressing down until you fill it up. You see there's a little window there where you can see when it's full. I have some little gold eye masks that I place under my eyes every night to help with these bags, honey. So you take them out of there, put them in a Ziploc bag. Then we're going to take all of the liquids that might spill in flight and place them in a Ziploc bag. See how much stuff I'm packing, y'all? This is really ridiculous. I mean, it goes on. Like I said, you'll find everything in the description. Alright guys, this is everything that I'm going to pack in that little purple Spirit bag for my cruise on Princess Cruises to Vancouver, Canada. As you can see, I have 2 pair of pajamas there. I have 2 swimwear outfits that I showed you in a little haul, mini haul. I have all the undergarments. I got my little strapless bra cups. I don't know how you refer to them. I got my 2 washcloths and my sheet. All the toiletry items. 2 pairs of shoes, 1 pair of flip-flops for the shower, wipes, brush, comb, first aid kit, COVID test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outfits, and then a little backup shirt. Let's get the packing. All right, the time has come. I'm gonna let you guys in on how I get a seat that's not in the back of the aircraft that I do not pay for. Now, make sure you fill out your profile with Spirit like any other airlines, your seating preference, whether it's window or aisle, front, back, whatever it is. Make sure you fill out your preference so Spirit knows to give you that preference. And the majority of the time, I like the window. Majority of the time, I get the window, but there have been maybe 2-3 times the max where I have gotten seated on the aisle seat. It's rare. Go to your reservation like you're about to check in. You go to the seating map. You take a look at all the available seats. And as you can see, right now, there's a seat left, window seat on row 19. If I check in right now, most likely I'm going to get that seat. And since I don't want to sit on row 19, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait until row 19 has been filled. Then I will do my check-in process, which is going to guarantee me a seat, row 13 or forward. It's that easy. Who knew? So I'm glad you guys stayed tuned for the nugget of the day. Catch me in my next video for Princess Cruises. Till next time, guys. Toodles.